Ever look at your backyard and think, this could be so much more? Me too. So I teamed up with Govee, my go-to for smart outdoor lighting, to turn a blah patio into a dreamy summer hangout. First things first, party prep. A few quick hacks. I used an upside-down planter to elevate a drink dispenser so guests can easily access beverages. For a party that goes from day to night, I want guests to stay protected with easy access to sunscreen and bug spray. A sand pail hung on a garden hook is the perfect place to hold everything. And for the kids, cupcake liners are ideal for catching drips from popsicles to keep those little hands clean. Next, it's time for lighting. I didn't want basic string lights. I wanted something smarter, sleeker, and totally customizable. That's where Govee came in. I used 5 different products, each perfect for their own outdoor corner. First, I added outdoor clear bulb string lights to the inside of the gazebo. The warm, soft glow is perfect for casual dinners or late-night chats. They're shatterproof, weatherproof, and you can control everything from your phone. Next, I edged my front yard garden with Govee garden lights. These are low profile but powerful. Dynamic color scenes, IP67 rated for rain and sun, and you can sync them to music for a little front yard drama. I also installed Govee outdoor permanent lights under the eaves of my roof. They're nearly invisible during the day, and at night they wash the house in vibrant color or clean white light. Holidays, birthdays, backyard movie nights, you name it, I've got a scene for it. Using the outdoor neon rope light, I traced the curve of our raised garden wall. The flexible neon strip lets you bend it into shapes, line edges, or even spell words. And finally, I added an outdoor wall light. This works with both Alexa and Google and gives off a soft but functional glow, perfect for both security and style. All 5 were insanely easy to install, weather-tested, and app-controlled. Govee has officially become my go-to for smart outdoor lighting. Now, ready for the magic trick? With Govee app's Dream View, every single light, string, garden, neon, wall, permanent, syncs up. Select Sunset Pulse and watch them breathe together in rhythm. One tap, total cohesion. When the sun goes down, the lights come alive. The colors subtly shift and the whole yard feels like an outdoor lounge. I love how these all work together with soft, pretty colors. It's so much better than a harsh spotlight or a boring wall light to illuminate a gathering. We feel cozy and we're able to enjoy the outdoor space so much more. And that's how you turn a plain patio into a full-on backyard oasis. DIY touches plus the most versatile outdoor lights on the market. Thanks to Govee for sponsoring this video.
My daughter's room was begging for some personalization, and I knew just the creative touch it needed. With the help of Govee's curtain lights and a couple quick DIYs, we'll update the room in just one day into a cozy, creative space for Vivian. I'm excited to try out these Govee curtain lights too. Let's take a look at what's included. Curtain lights, power adapter, control box, waterproof connector, repeater, wire adapter, hooks, plastic strap, user manual. The curtain lights too are available in a wide variety of sizes to meet different needs. The largest size is best suited for outdoor use in your yard or on your garage door. The curtain lights too offer versatile installation options to suit user preferences. Hooks for easy hanging on the wall or other surfaces, adhesive tape for secure attachment without damaging surfaces. Before you install, make sure the lights work properly. Plan the layout and clean the surface where the lights will be installed. Firmly fit the wire adapter into the hook and make sure it is not loose or could easily fall. Tear off the VHB gum on the back of the hook and firmly press it against the surface for more than 5 seconds. There's an optional fixed installation strip that provides added stability for outdoor setups to protect against wind. We're going to skip this step for indoor use. Plug into power and enjoy your super cool lighting effects. As you can see, these curtain lights are easy to install. I'll show you how to use the app with tons of cool lighting options after a couple quick and easy DIY projects. First, we're going to spray paint her white lamp base with 2 coats of metallic gold spray paint, and we'll let it dry. Now we're simply hot gluing these cute and colorful mini ribbons to her plain white lampshade. This is a quick and easy project to add even more color and personality to her room. Now Vivi's using some affordable color fabric markers to draw a fun pattern on this blank pillowcase. This is an easy project for a kid to do start to finish and to really express their creativity. It turned out really cute and fits her room perfectly. Next, I'm installing another strand of Govee curtain lights to Vivi's white window curtain. Since we have this permanent wood cornice box on our window, I decided to install the hooks on the inside of the cornice box for a seamless look. Firmly fit every other light strand into the hook. Tear off the VHB gum on the back of a hook and firmly press it against the surface for more than 5 seconds. Then install the other hooks in order. Installation was quick and easy. Now onto the super fun part, the Govee app, where you can enjoy a wide range of smart control options for a more convenient experience. Install and open the Govee Home app. The app is super easy to use and automatically detects each device. Connect it to Wi-Fi, and that's it. So many cool features. We uploaded Vivi's favorite GIF using the app, which allows for incredible personalization, but that's just the beginning. The Govee app boasts over 200 scene modes tailored for various occasions and moods. Each scene mode transforms the light into a vibrant display from relaxing sunset hues to festive holiday themes, creating the perfect atmosphere for any moment. We also explored DIY lighting effects where you can draw your own design right in the app. Simply select the DIY feature, and with a few taps, you could sketch out your vision. The Govee AI lighting bot enhances this experience. Just tell it what you want to see, and it translates your words into stunning light displays.
Create a heart.
Would you like me to apply the recommended scene for you? Okay, the recommended solution has been generated.
Whether it's a twinkling star pattern or a colorful rainbow, the AI recognizes and visualizes your ideas seamlessly. With the enhanced visualized patterns and smooth GIF display, the images and designs translate perfectly onto the lights, creating a dynamic visual experience that's both fun and mesmerizing. The lights pulse, shift, and change color according to your creations, bringing your designs to life in real time. These features make the Govee curtain lights not only visually appealing, but also incredibly versatile, allowing us to customize our lighting experience to fit our needs and preferences effortlessly. Another fantastic feature is compatibility with voice control options like Govee Home app, Matter Alexa, or Google Assistants. This means you can control your lights hands-free. Simply say, "Alexa, set the lights to party mode," and watch your lights instantly adjust to the perfect vibrant colors. We've paired ours with our Alexa, making it super convenient to change the mood of the room without lifting a finger.
Alexa, turn off my lights.
Okay. These features make the Govee curtain lights not only visually appealing, but also incredibly versatile, allowing us to customize our lighting experience to fit our needs and preferences effortlessly. These lights have smart controls and are Matter compatible for a more convenient user experience, perfect for bedtime. The voice control feature allows me to easily adjust the lights using my Alexa. You can set a timer, use sunrise sunset function, and even showcase dream view features. Vivi loves using the timer feature while she's winding down for bed. We absolutely love these curtain lights, and they're so easy to control and have brought so much color and personality to Vivi's room. I highly recommend. Thanks to Govee for sponsoring this video.
Alexa, turn off Vivi's room and curtains.
Okay.